Hi, everybody. Happy fourth quarter. Hope you're all well. So, a month or two into the global pandemic, anybody who watches my videos saw the one I sent out about the Alt A lenders, right? The subprime non-qualified mortgage lenders were shutting their doors, and I thought that was a major canary in the coal mine situation. And so now the good news is that they're back. And yes, you could say, "Hey, Chris, they've been back a while," but I like to let them come back and establish some history and get some deals done. So the good news, at least for me and most of my clients, since I work with mostly investors, is the investor cash flow loans are back. And what that is, it's not even investor cash flow loan. It should be investor break even loan is what they should call it, because the requirement is they want the debt service coverage ratio to be 1 to 1, meaning that if the rents meet the PITI payment, principal, interest, taxes, insurance payment, and you've got above a 680 FICO, it's approved. So let me say that again. If the rents meet the monthly payment and you're bringing 25% down on an investment property, so this is obviously for buy and hold people, it's going to be approved. So they call it the investor cash flow loan. Now, who's this for? This is for people who don't file strong enough taxes to get the cheap Fannie and Freddie money. This is for people who maybe already have 10 investment properties or in 10 finance properties, right? So they've already used up their 10 Fannie and Freddie spots. This is a portfolio loan. This is a great loan. So it's back. I can confirm it's back. I'm closing deals with my investor clients with it. So that's all very good news. The canary is alive. The canary was in the coal mine, and it looked like it was dead, at least, and it was just passed out for a while we got through this, this initial, call it 6-8 months of a global pandemic. So anyway, as of October 2020, investor cash flow loan is back. So it's like that. Hope you're all well. Bye-bye.